What is up, Bountiful family? Today I'm going to be telling you guys exactly how people are making thousands of dollars a month without showing their face on YouTube. So us personally, we do have a couple different YouTube channels that generate revenue stream, and we do show our face in all of them, but I understand if sometimes you don't want to show your face and you're just not really ready to share your life or to share anything from your life online. Here's how you can make thousands of dollars a month just from posting YouTube videos without even showing your face with very minimal editing skills needed. So I think we've all seen these videos on YouTube, rain videos, videos that can help you sleep. There's live streams of just relaxing music. All of these videos are non-copyrighted materials that they're just using from other websites that they're generating revenue from.
Not to mention, these videos are getting millions and millions of views.
So even if they were getting paid $1 per 1,000 views for this video, they would have made $50,000 off this video alone.
So if you want to learn how you can start doing this, I got you guys, and I'll show you exactly what they're doing in order to start growing these channels and generating passive income. So the first thing they're doing is they're finding a niche. So some people's niche, they have, like I said, the rain videos. Other people post like beach videos. Other people post animals, like cute animals, etc. There's also people on YouTube that are also just taking TikToks that don't have music in them and basically just reposting them in one collage.
And these are getting millions of views as well.
That can get a little bit trickier because you're kind of taking someone else's content, so I would stay away from that if you can. But nonetheless, people are still doing that, and they're making pretty good money off doing it too. People will put 2 hours of relaxing music or 10 minutes of small businesses on TikTok, or they just have different types of collages that they use. And you have to realize that anything over 10 minutes, YouTube allows you to put extra ads in those videos. So for example, like you could put an ad every minute if you really wanted to. I don't recommend doing that for retention purposes, but if you really wanted to monetize your content to the most that it can be monetized to, you can put an ad on every single minute of those videos as long as they're over 10 minutes. That's why you see these videos that are like hours long. A lot of people turn these videos on and they don't even really think or remember that they're even on, which is how they're generating so much income from this as well. There's even YouTube channels that like have music to play for your dogs when you're gone. So technically these people are turning these channels on and just leaving it. There's also channels that talk about dropshipping products and things like that without even showing their face. And that's crazy because you guys already know the RPM, CPM is going to be way higher on those videos than they will be on videos of animals.
If you do a simple search of educational videos on YouTube, almost every single video that pops up is a faceless channel. And again, these videos are also getting millions of views, and there's so many educational videos in so many niche categories.
And if you don't already know what CPM and RPM is, CPM is the advertiser's amount that they are paying you per 1,000 views, and the RPM is how much you are earning for 1,000 views after YouTube takes their cut. Typically, you can make a couple dollars for animal videos per RPM, maybe like $1 to $10 estimated, and for videos that contain finance or things like that, they technically have a higher RPM, so they're getting paid way more per 1,000 views than someone that's just showing animals. So that is another thing to keep in mind when picking your niche. So now that you know what you want your channel to be based upon,
now you're gonna go to pixels.com to find the non-copyrighted content that you can use for these videos. And as you guys can see, they have so many different categories. So even if you're not really sure what you wanted to make your faceless channel about, you can find even more inspiration here. But for this video's purposes, we're gonna just type in relaxing. So then you're gonna click on videos. And as you guys can see, there's tons of beautiful videos that you are able to download for free and use. So what I always do, obviously, is I just make sure that they're free. So I click on the video, I scroll down, I see how long the video is, because you have to remember we are going to be editing these videos together soon. So we want to make sure that these videos are at least a minute long. Then you're going to go up and just make sure that it's free to download. And you guys can see literally almost all of these are free to download. And then you can start your collage of these videos in our next step. Pixels is also actually a mobile-friendly website, so you can actually download these videos straight from your phone and just click download, which is actually a little bit even easier than the website. And I just wanted to point this out because for our next step, we actually will be using our phone to edit, which is a lot easier because that means you can do all of this from your phone. So I just wanted to point that out before we move on.
next, you're going to just download as many as you can from Pixels or other websites that contain non-copyrighted videos. You're going to take those videos and then you're going to open a free app called InShot. InShot is a video editor that I personally love to use, and I use it for all of my videos. So once you're in InShot, you can quickly learn how to use InShot. It's very, very easy. It's a lot easier than a lot of computer-based editing systems, so anyone can really use InShot.
So for this video's purposes, I just downloaded 2 from this page, the relaxing page, and as you guys can see, they're downloaded onto my phone right now and they're being saved as files. So basically once they're downloaded, you're gonna click on them and then just click on this button down here, and then you're gonna just go up and then click save as video. You can also, if you want, because we're going to be using InShot, you can actually click the InShot button and it's going to take you straight to InShot and import your video automatically, which is a lot easier in my opinion. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on Canvas and you're going to click on this YouTube section button. This is going to section it to exactly how you want it on YouTube and how the dimensions are for YouTube. So next, now that we have this, it's obviously, I don't think it has any sound to it. No, it does not. So at this point in time, you're going to just add as many as you can. On the bottom right, it shows you how much the total time is that you have so far. So this video was only 36 seconds. So all you're going to do, if you want to just keep the same video playing, you can just scroll over to duplicate and just click this button as many times as you want to click it and it will create it. So we're already at 4 minutes now. So what I would do is just go to the most amount your phone storage can take to make this video as long as possible, because the longer the video, the more you can monetize it for the viewers. So to find music, you're gonna go to YouTube search and you're gonna just type in non-copyrighted rain, or you could just do relaxing music. So next it's gonna bring you up and you guys can see, like, I don't want to encourage you to like steal things from other people's videos of them trying to do the same thing that you're trying to do. But if your phone storage can take it, you can literally just download this person's song that they're using. I don't want to tell you to do that, but technically you could. So you're going to copy link and you can even check to see, like, you know, if they really like the music and everything. So you could either do that, or like if you have your own ideas, like you could just look through all of these. I'm sure they do it to themselves anyways. Like, they're all trying to make money here. So what you could do is you could just copy link. You're going to go into MP4 to MP3 converter. You're going to just paste that link right into here, and then you're going to click convert as MP4. So I have very limited storage on my phone, so I'm not going to do that. But basically what that will do is you're going to do the same process. So it'll be up in your downloads. So then you'll go up here to your downloads and you'll do the same exact thing and just allow the music to be imported into InShot.
Or you guys can upload it straight to YouTube, and you guys can pick songs from YouTube's editing software where they actually give you free songs to use with no copyright, so you don't even have to worry about trying to find a non-copyrighted song and then maybe it's going to be copyrighted a year from now. It just makes a lot more sense to just do it through YouTube.
So now that your music is imported, you're going to click on the music button and then click tracks. You're going to click on imported music. And then you're going to pick the music that you chose. So obviously I'm just going to pick a random one for the use of this video, which will make no sense, but it's just for this video. So what you'll want to do, because we obviously wanted to make this video as long as possible, so basically you just have to duplicate the images or the videos, and you also have to duplicate the audio. So you're going to just click on that duplicate button again as many times as you can to get it up to 10 minutes. And then you're going to do the same thing with the music. So to see the music, you're going to just click back on music and it'll allow you to see where it's at in comparison to the long image or video. And then I always just see how the audio here cut out at the end and there's just a blank space. Just make sure before you start duplicating it, just minimize that so the music never stops. Because if somebody's video music stops, they're going to just click out of your video and go to somebody else's. So then you're going to just click duplicate as many times as you can to just continue on this audio with the image or video. Then you're going to go up to this button on the upper right side and you're going to click save, and you're going to save this video to your phone. So now that your video is saved, you are going to get a thumbnail. So what I would do is I would just turn my phone on its side. You're going to screenshot this, wait for the bar to go away, screenshot this image, and then obviously resize it like that. And I'm just going to just do that a little bit to make it align with what the thumbnail is going to be. So now we're going to work on the thumbnail. The thumbnail is the most important part of the video. I swear, it's all about clickbait on YouTube. So we're going to go up and then we're going to go to Fonto. Then you're going to click on this photo button at the bottom, click photo albums. You're going to upload this image. But really, I just like to have eye-catching things. So we're going to just put in the title of this video. So relax, or we could just put music to relax to. So I would just do something like that. And again, you can look and see what other people are doing. But I would like just put like that. And then you could do like style, and you can like customize so many different things here. So like you can make it look like it's just more stand out. You could just put this wherever. Like, you could put it up there, and then you could add like the music notes emoji. You could add like emojis to it. Really just like anything to make it stand out, because that's obviously a big part of what you want to do, is you want to make sure that your channel is growing through these videos. That is how I would make the thumbnail for this video as well.
So once you have your first video uploaded, now you're going to go ahead and add the title. You want to make sure that you're using relevant titles to your videos. So just make sure that you're adding as many keywords in the title and the description as you can. I heard that YouTube actually goes more from the description and what's in the description and shows it based on that, rather than even the tags. So don't be afraid to make your descriptions as long as you can to include as many keywords as you possibly can, so this video will show up on other suggested pages. You still want to add tags, so you can actually, there's actually ways that you can inspect other people's hashtags of what they use, or you can just do your best.
This is actually how I find my own tags. So you can actually just type in relaxing, and you can see how many things come up from that. So you can start using all of these as tags. I would start from the bottom. Or you could just type in, to be more specific, type in relaxing music, and then just use all of these in the tags and the description. Make sure these are the keywords you're using in the description as well to maximize your video being seen across YouTube.
So now that you have your first video, now it's about getting watch hours. So YouTube does not monetize your content until you have 4,000 watch hours and at least 1,000 subscribers, which in that case, all you really need is one viral video to keep pushing until you reach that amount. Even though it sounds like a lot, if you just don't give up and you continue to post consistently, one of those videos will hopefully take off, and then you can start earning income. And a lot of times people will just go straight to your channel, because if you're making like videos about relaxing music or relaxing sounds or relaxing rain, they'll go to your videos automatically because they'll have it saved in their computer. So I really do feel like this is a crazy, easy, passive way to make income online. We actually just made one of these faceless accounts of our own, where we have been posting like very just random videos of Mika, my dog, where she's just kind of just like sleeping or just relaxing music for dogs. So we actually have a channel just for that for her, that we hope to start generating income as well. And other people really just enjoy to just relax and to watch these videos, because of course anything that you do online, you want to make sure that you're doing these things to help other people and to have good intentions with what you're doing. You never want to start making money online in a way that's going to hurt someone or mislead someone or anything like that. So that's always the rule of thumb that I go to whenever I think about starting something new or starting a new revenue stream online. And think about how many people that you are going to help by making these videos. It's free content that they can listen to and click on that will maybe relax them or show them how to dropship products, or just so many other things that you can do without even showing your face, with very minimal effort. So I hope this video helped you in learning how you can make money on YouTube literally without showing your face. I really just thought this was such a crazy way that people are making money, but obviously you see these videos have millions of views, so clearly they are making really great money off these videos, especially if they're like 2 hours long or more. Imagine how many ads are getting placed on those videos, and they're just generating income, and it's just very easy, and again, passive income. And it's also helping people because it's a way that people are enjoying to watch them, or they're relaxing. So it really is just a win-win for everyone. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up so you can help my channel grow, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you guys want to know other ways of how to make money online, I have a whole playlist on my YouTube channel of how you can start your business for free online and other ways to make money on my YouTube channel. Good luck with all of your business ventures online, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys!